Now the direct beneficiaries are students and research scholars and faculty of this department, because the eminent speakers and specialists in the topic of the workshop are exposed to the audience, so that the students and research scholars can update their knowledge in this particular field. This is one direct advantage. Now there is one indirect advantage for us, for the university. Now our university is going for re-accreditation with NAAC. So this type of workshops, seminars which are conducted in all the departments, our score will enhance with number of workshops conducted in the departments, so that again we will retain our 5-star. So with this objective, I appeal to all the departments, and especially major departments like mathematics, in which computer science is there, because large number of students are here, to organize many such workshops in future also, which is directly beneficial to the students and research scholars of this department, and indirectly they are helping the university in getting a good score for the NAAC re-accreditation, that is 5-star. Of course, I am not competent to speak anything on the subject. Only thing is that I congratulate the organizers for bringing the industry people to the university. I think Dr. Raju and his team will pick some of your students for their industry. We can organize a campus placement also if you are interested. And if you want a specialized training for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, the department will come forward to train them as per your requirements. So kindly look from that angle, taking some of our computer science students into your organization. I think that is the motive of Professor Ramanamurthy in inviting the industry people here, and we should definitely have the industry and academic interaction, and this will definitely promote a cordial atmosphere between these two, and we also must know the requirements of the industry. The industry also will come forward to take our students into their industry. So accordingly, this will help in training our students as per the requirements of the industry. I thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity, for inviting me to this workshop.